Hi, it's Jennifer Luzzi with the Jennifer Luzzi Group at Keller Williams Arizona Living Realty, and today we are looking at 3970 Chemehuevi Boulevard. This house has some really neat features for you. It's over 1,600 square feet, it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, it has a 2-car garage, it has updated flooring, a large laundry room with a room for another refrigerator or a freezer if you have a large family. Yes, it's on Chemehuevi, but it's above McCulloch, so it's a lot quieter up here above McCulloch. Traffic is super light. It's really limited to most of the residents that are in this area, and it has a beautiful fenced backyard. Big, ready for a pool, ready for side parking, maybe even another garage. It's got a lot of stuff ready for you. Look at this kitchen. It has been updated. It's beautiful, new appliances, new granite countertops. It's gorgeous. The primary suite enjoys a sliding glass door to the patio so you could put in a fun backyard and have access from your bedroom. It also has a dual vanity, a walk-in closet, and a walk-in shower. The bedrooms are large. There's an extra bathroom. It's wonderful. You've got to take a look. If you have any questions, please give us a call. It's Jennifer Luzzi at the Jennifer Luzzi Group at Keller Williams Arizona Living Realty. And our number is 928-486-9046, and we'd love to hear from you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.